Hey Internet, today's lesson is Dome. So go to Insert, Features, Dome. What we're going to do is just dome the surface, and we'll also do cupping as well. So as you can see, there's a dome shape, and now we'll just do cupping. Cupping is the same but just in reverse. So Insert, Features, Dome again, and then we'll just pick this surface and we'll just reverse the direction, and then the dome will go inward, which in turn becomes cupping. As you can see, it's domed inwards. This works for any other shape, but cylinder is just the easiest to demonstrate. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.